single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi YouTube family, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be African food, which is basically Nigeria food, and this food is all about Nigeria salad. Yes, Nigeria salad, they call it Abacha. Yes, that's what we call it, and basically it's from the eastern part of Nigeria. So many of my fans in diaspora don't know about this African salad, specially prepared. So if you know this video interested, just keep. Looks like, so this is my salad. It has leaf, they call it Abacha leaf. What's the name again? It has garden egg. This is a special kind of garden egg. It's not the white type. This is the green type of garden egg, especially used for this. Then I have my, what we call the cow leg. I have my cow leg here, which is the skin part. So this is Abacha. My camera is not so clear. So this is my Abacha. It has there's something they call uba inside the salad. If I can drop a picture of the ingredients they use in preparing this salad, maybe I'll drop a picture somewhere. Ingredients they use in preparing this salad, I'm going to drop the picture so you get to understand what is inside. Then this is it. Yeah, so I have the leaf. I have my spice. There are a lot of spice inside. So the sauce is kind of prepared in. There are special ways they prepare the sauce, more like you're preparing stew. And all this white stuff is from cassava. You derive the abacha mainly from cassava. Then you add your vegetable. I don't know the English word for the vegetable they added to it, but call it what's the name for the vegetable? The leaf. Okay, we call it anyara leaf. Yes, but I don't know the English word for it. Like I said, I don't know the English word for it, so it's called anyara leaf, kind of. Anyara or ahara. Poor me. It's a pity I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria, but poor me, I don't know how to speak my language very well. Poor me. So you can see my red pepper. I'm loving this. I am loving this. And also, like I said, the sauce is kind of prepared in a special way. Maybe I have to do a video on how to prepare the sauce, but there are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can learn how to prepare abacha. And we also have onions in here. Also have onions in here. So my drink for today is going to be Fanta. It's a regular drink, so from the regular drink. Beg your pardon. I have onions here. This abacha is so spicy. Actually, if I'm having my abacha, I like it having more of the anhara leaf because I enjoy it. Well, not I like the little abacha more vegetables. So many noise out there, crazy people. I need to talk less while eating this because I enjoy eating it, and secondly, it's a bit spicy, so I don't want to distract myself by talking. So that the food don't get to the wrong place. Our leg. I think I'm okay. I could not exhaust it all. It's too spicy for me. But very, very sweet. So that is all for my mukbang for today. My African salad. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.